Hi, myself Yogesh Sarunke. I am from group number 2. So there are 5 members in our group. First one is Shivraj Pawar, who is working on technical development of our project. Second is Nishant Randir. Then Yogesh Sarunke, Vaishnavi Sangre. The responsibility of each group member is Nishant is our financial leader, and our group, the Nishant is working on research and material handling of our group. The analyzer of our group is Yogesh Sarunke, and Vaishnavi Sangre. Our project management is done by her in our project. Fifth one is Chetan Shelar, who is the lead our group. So the topic of our project is automatic street light using LDR sensor, which is light dependent register. So only one sensor is used in our project. On the basis and the principle of that LDR, we set up a project and given to the project is automatic street light, in which the street light is automatically switch on and off by using LDR sensor. And so many of the people have a phobia of darkness, so to assist them in such situation, we studied a simple electrical circuit and make a project on this topic. So it will automatically turn on and off the street light by using LDR sensor, which is works on principle of presence of or absence of light. By using such a components, we try to solve the problem which is generally seen in our daily to daily life. So at the starting, we all group members are decided and find out the daily to daily problems. So we find out this problem and we make sure to give the answer or try to solve every problem. So we make the project on automatic street light, which is also a difficulty of our daily to daily life. So components which are used in our projects are LDR, that is light dependent register. Then second one is a NPN transistor. In our project we are used BC54 transistor, and two register each 470 ohm. Then LED lights desired color, no doubt, and wires for connections, etc. and further.
My name is Chetan Shelar. My part are component experience. First are LDR. LDR full form light defense resistor, an electronic component whose resistance decreases with the increasing incident light intensity. Use in potential divider setup with second regular resistor, second as resistor. The flow of current across the resistor device adjustable resistor are referred to as potentiometer. Third are transistor BC547ABOUT has an emitter terminal, a base terminal and a collector terminal. Current flowing from the base to the emitter control the collector current. Last are battery. A battery is device that is able to store electrical energy in the circuit. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nishant Anil Randir. I am explain working of our project. Basically, LDR is working on a principle of light intensity. During daytime, as the intensity of light is high, hence LDR show its minimum resistance voltage drop across it, which is less than voltage across transistor. So, no current will flow from collector to emitter terminal of a transistor, hence transistor remain off. In opposite to this situation, as sunlight goes below the visible region of our eye, that is intensity of light is less, LDR show its maximum resistance, and as resistance increases, voltage drop across is it also high, which is greater than the voltage across the transistor. So current will go from collector terminal to emitter terminal of a transistor, hence transistor enter into on state. The current flow from transistor will flow from the LED so LED become on.
I am Vaishnavi Ramdas Sangre. I give you an explanation of benefits and conclusion of this project. Benefits: there are lower chances of automatic street light system overheating and risk of accidents is also minimized. Cost of operating automatic solar street lights is far less when compared to conventional street lights. The automatic street light system is eco-friendly and helps in reducing the carbon footprint. The automatic street light is benefited as compared to conventional street lights. I give you a conclusion of this project. This project of automatic street light is a cost effective and it is also practical and eco-friendly. Automatic street light project is the safest way to save energy. It clearly tackles the two problems that world is facing today: saving of energy and also disposal of incandescent lamps very efficiently.